Hello everybody. If you watched my video that I uploaded last Monday, 2 out of the 3 batteries I could not revive. These 2 over here. This one I was able to, as you can see. So this one works, but this 2 is dead. Come on. Dead. And dead. So 2 deads. So what I end up doing is ordering on the Amazon the cheapest battery I could find. This is a 38 milliamp. Just came in today, 2-day shipping with Prime. Let me see, open this up. This is the first time I use a generic brand, third-party brand. Because even the Black+Decker brand, it can die fast. So I don't know how long this battery will last, but I got 2 to replace the 2 that I couldn't revive. So let's open one up. In fact, we'll open both. There's one. Here's another one. Looks similar. So this is the original one. This is the generic. It's the one that came with the drill is only 1.5 amp hour. This one is a 3.8 amp hour, 20 volts lithium. So let's see how well this thing works. This is a Vanon battery. It came with a little manual. So total for this, including tax, is $25 something. And for the 2-pack, it was $23 plus tax. So let's see if this thing has a charge already. I got another drill here. Let's see. So it's very pre-charged. It's a good sign that it works, not DOA. So it does work, which is a good sign. Now, let's see if this works with the charger. Hopefully it doesn't get that red blinking light. Let's charge both of them to the max. Let's see if this thing gets the red blinking light. It shouldn't. Green. Another one. Green. So they both working good. Uh-oh, that's not good. I spoke too soon. Look at that. That means this thing is not getting charged. So I'm going to have to contact them. Not a good sign. Maybe because I use it before charging. Who knows? Let's see. I don't want to read it. Anyway, that's not a good sign. Let's measure the voltage on this one then. Let me change the... Yeah, still red. One bad. Don't know why this thing is turning red. It has power. Why are you turning red? Huh? No. Let's check the voltage of that one. Where's my voltmeter? Here's my voltmeter. Put this on 200 there. Just 19 volts. It's sure to charge. $19. So the voltage is fine. This is 19 volts too. So I don't know why this one blinks red. No idea. All I know is that if this thing is blinking red, that means it's not getting a charge, which is not getting a charge. See? So okay, what I'm gonna do is I already emailed the company. This company, I already emailed them, asked for a replacement, and they're supposed to reply within 48 hours. If they don't reply or they don't send me another one, then I'll just return both. I'm not gonna make another video out of this battery company, and any updates gonna be on the description below. So if you want to know what happened to this one, either I return it or get a replacement, or how long it lasts, is gonna be in the description below. Alright, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope this helped you guys in your purchasing a third-party battery. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day.